So today I'm doing this quick video to show you the tip that I just learned from experts and other welders. This is a chair. It has a hole there. I'm going to fix it and fill this gap. And I'm using my machine on a 44 amp. Using this cast steel rod, I'm going to fill this gap. So let's do this right now. So just set up the camera in the right direction just to show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay. Going to set up the rod and try and fill this gap correctly. Okay, it's clamped well. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, weld. Okay, I need to wear my gloves. I forgot to wear my gloves. I need them most of the time not to burn myself. Okay, here we go. Let's fill this hole. Sticky. Sticky. Filling gap. Nice welding. It's on fire now. I have to leave it to cool down. And then I will be welding again the rest of this part. Oh man, that's hot. Wow. Okay. Going to use this used piece of rod to weld it and fill in the gap. This will work better. I think this will work better. Right? Let's test that. Working the north. It's working just fine. Wow. As I expected. Wow. See? I have to leave it to cool down and then continue this little hole. It's working successfully. I'm going to show you right now in a minute this technique that I'm going to show you this technique in a minute that it proved to work excellent. Just a beginner. I don't know a lot about welding, but I see other experts like making YouTube videos just to show you how to weld and welding techniques and all of that. So I'm trying my best to do and apply what I've seen in order to get better in this welding experience. So we're going to fill this little remaining hole. Cool. It proved to work just great. No more holes. Wow. Woo! It got fixed. So, I'm very happy and excited right now. I'm going to show you what happened exactly. Okay. So, here is the chair hole supposedly that was there. It's no longer there. And here is the rest of the rod that was there and just got melted and fixed the hole. I'm going to clean it, and it should be working fine then. I know it looks like crap, but I'm happy that I just learned the technique. The next time I will be doing it in a way that does not look crap. So let's clean it. Well, this little hole I will cover. That's okay. It's a little, very little compared to when it was before. Again, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any good ideas around welding, please tell me in the comments. Something that might make me better. That really helps me get motivated making more videos. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.